Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Blue Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blue Wallet application on your device within which you have not logged out. When you open it up, you will directly see your wallet account that is logged into this device. You can tap on this wallet and you will now see the wallet details. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and now scroll down and you will see the delete button. When you tap on this delete button, this will delete this current wallet that you have selected from this application, but it will not delete the wallet altogether. So tap on this delete button and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your wallet. Tap on the yes button and now this wallet will be removed from this application, which means that your account has now been logged out. If you wish to log back in once again, you can tap on the add button or the plus icon and then proceed forward with the import wallet button in order to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Blue Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.